Hi everyone, I hope you are doing fine with your preparation. आप में से most of students की कोचिंग खत्म हो चुकी होगी. You are start attempting the test series start कर दिया होगा. कुछ लोगों ने अपना रिवाइज करना शुरू कर दिया होगा. But the major thing in this examination is how to reduce your stress, जिसके बारे में कोई बात ही नहीं करता है. सबसे पहला स्ट्रेस कोचिंग खत्म हो गया है, कैसे शेड्यूल करना है डे को. दूसरा स्ट्रेस मैं क्या पढ़ूं, कहां से पढ़ूं, कितना पढ़ूं. देयर इज नो लिमिट गिवन टू यू. Even after the completion of the 1 year of the preparation, and after all, when you are sitting in the evening in your room and you receive a call from your family कि बेटा इस बार तो आईएएस बन जाओगे ना, आपके चाचा का बेटा का भाई का दोस्त आईएएस बन गया है, गाड़ी ले लिया, इतना सारा लैंड ले लिया है, आप भी बन जाओगे ना. This type of the question make you the more pressurized. Even the family are not able to understand from which point of view or which point of the life you are going through. It's look like exam is bigger than the life. Life is the one, exam may be the many. यूपीएससी एक ऐसा एग्जाम है स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द सीएससी. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आप 2 महीने 3 महीने में करेक्ट कर लोगे. इट्स लाइक अ मैराथन एज वेल एज अ स्प्रिंट फॉर द डे. आपको डेली भागना है और लंबे टाइम तक भागना है. फॉर गेटिंग अ रिजल्ट यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द 2 years. If you are giving the exam in the 23, you will receive the result in the 24 while you're preparing from the past 1 year also. So I am suggesting some of the things you need to do to clarify or to clear this examination. सबसे पहले, number 1 point, you need to identify the topics, you need to identify the subjects in which you are strong. Maybe it's the polity, maybe it's the economy, for someone maybe it's the science and technology, for someone it's maybe the geography. आपको एक बाउंड्री सेट करना है फॉर ईच सब्जेक्ट कि उसमें से क्या पढ़ना है, क्या टॉपिक इंपॉर्टेंट है, कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन से क्या क्या टॉपिक्स आए हैं. तो यू नीड टू एनालाइज ऑल दोज थिंग्स व्हेन यू स्टार्ट रीडिंग फॉर एनी सब्जेक्ट. व्हेन वी आर अटेम्प्टिंग द पेपर ऑफ द क्लास 10th बोर्ड पेपर, जो सबसे क्रूशियल माना जाता था, क्लास 12th के बोर्ड के पेपर जो उससे भी ज्यादा क्रूशियल माना जाता था, वी हैव ए लिमिट फॉर द रीडिंग. Means if we are studying for the biology, we have our class notes हैं biology के लिए, हमने क्वेश्चन बैंक डिसाइड किया हुआ है, हम इससे पढ़ेंगे, हमने कुछ अपने सेल्फ नोट्स भी बनाए हुए हैं. तो वी सेट द लिमिट फॉर द बायोलॉजी और दैट completion of the those notes, the completion of the those question create like a satisfaction level similar to those 10th and 12th exam. This exam is also need a same strategy. आपको in next 60 days में सबसे पहले within a 3-4 days you need to identify for each single subject क्या पढ़ना है. Means you need to list down the topic of the subject. Either it's a polity, like most important topics related to the fundamental rights, the topic related to DPSP. Each year from the parliament you get the 3-4 questions, and some of the questions on judiciary as well, some of the questions on the making of the constitution as well. You can identify these topics and you need to make a list of the topics you need to read as the most important topics. And you can derive some of the static topics from the current affairs. In the prelims examination, environment contribute almost about the 18 questions. But there is no single source for reading the environment. In environment, you need to identify which are the topics which are in the news from the last 1.5 years. So, if you are doing these kind of the thing, you are maintaining a list for each and every subject, you will easily feel a sense of completion of the syllabus. Otherwise, there will be a doubt कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है और कहां से करना है. Now, come to the second aspect of this examination. When you complete your study, जब आप पढ़ भी लेते हो and topic decide भी कर लेते हो, complete भी कर लिया, now you are start attempting the paper through the test series. In the test series perspective, most of the students are only focusing on the marks they are getting. Test series is to build your concept, to build how to attempt a paper. Because learning and the preparation for the examination is the one perspective, but the attempting of the paper is the second perspective. If I can say in the form of the percentage, the exam preparation will include, for the prelims perspective, the 60 to 65%. But the attempting of the paper is contribute to 35 to 40%. Because if you are going to attempt an examination home, you will find in the UPSC paper, you are getting only the 40 question in which you have the confidence. What about the other 60 questions? How you will attempt? So where the role of the test series come? In the test series, if you are attempting the paper, you need to focus on to build a strategy. In which strategy you are getting the higher marks. That can be maybe you are going to the paper to the multiple rounds, like in the first 30 minutes you are attempting a 20-25 question. with the 95% of the accuracy. But in the next 40 to 50 minutes, you are attempting the like a 30-35 question with the 70% of the accuracy. If you are going through these strategy, like going through the paper 3 times in a 2 hours gap, you will identify the area in the paper in which you are strong. But if we go through the 1 to 100 question, so it's become very difficult for us, and we will completely exhaust when we reach to the 90 to 100 question, and we see these are the very easy question जो मुझे तो आते थे, लेकिन मैंने तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट किया. I'm getting the like 90 to 100 के बीच में take only 2 minutes to all the questions, but I waste all the time to reading the question from the 1 to 100. So there is a need to change the strategy if you are attempting the question paper from 1 to 100. So number one thing the test series tell you about how to attempt a paper. Second, learning from the test series, what can be done. If you are attempting a paper and you are scoring a 60, 70, 80 marks, you need to identify in which subject you are scoring very well. If you are getting all the questions are correct in the geography, so it means you are having a very good preparation level in the geography. But in the case of environment, if you are getting only the 40% question correct, then you need to identify the region why you are getting the 60% question incorrect. तो जो ये incorrect वाला missing part है, हम उसको miss कर देते हैं. Even in the some of the correct question, we use the smart guess, we use the blind guess and we get the correct. लेकिन हम उसको देखते नहीं हैं जाके कि यहाँ पे तो smart guess use हुआ था, blind guess use हुआ था, उसकी वजह से ठीक हुआ. If the same question come next time, maybe you will get incorrect or maybe you get it correct. If you analyze the paper very carefully, then it is a very higher chance जो question पहले पूछा जा चुका है या जिस टॉपिक में क्वेश्चन आ चुका है वो आप गलत नहीं करेंगे. प्ले ऑफ एनालिसिस कम, जिसको करने से सब लोग डरते हैं, बिकॉज अटेम्प्टिंग अ पेपर विल टेक 2 hours बट द एनालिसिस ऑफ द पेपर विल टेक 4 hours. तो उस एनालिसिस में आप क्या करेंगे. सबसे पहले यू विल आइडेंटिफाई द क्वेश्चन जहां पे आपने गलत मार्क किया है. You will identify the region what you were thinking at that time जब वो क्वेश्चन आपने मार्क किया, and what was the linkage required for marking that question right. You need to identify it with the each subject, with the polity, with the history, with the geography, with the environment as well. So you will get an idea. In polity, if I am attempting the question through the smart work, I am getting the 80% of the question correct. But in the case of the history, if I am marking the question with the smart guess, I am getting a 90% of question wrong. So here you will identify what is your strong area, what is your weak area. So this is need to be identified in the test series. And what you are getting from the test series, कुछ some new topics जिसके लिए आपको ज्यादा घूमना पड़ता है, you are getting in the test series. तो start making the small notes about those topics. जो क्वेश्चन गलत हो रहे हैं उसके बारे में, टॉपिक्स के बारे में देखो. तो ये सब चीज आपको एक पूरा फ्रेमवर्क तैयार करके देगी. अगर मैं इसको कंक्लूड करूं पूरे एरिया के बारे में, सबसे पहले you need to do the work, you need to list down the topics you need to read. That can be done through the PYQ or through the importance of the topic that UPSC has been asked और कुछ previous years में पूछा है, उससे कुछ derive होके भी आ सकता है. दूसरा, you need to list down the current affairs topics and from that which static topic can be derived, so you can mark that question right there. Like the question on the right to privacy from the Puttaswamy judgment, it like a current affair linked question from the static part. तो ये सब आपको हर एक सब्जेक्ट में डिजाइन करना होगा. You need to develop a strategy from the test series how to attempt a paper. You need to focus on how to analyze the paper as well. How to identify in which area I am doing the good smart work, in which area I am not doing a good smart work, and how I can improve my analytic skill to marking those questions in which I am having a doubt of the 50-50% or 25 to 70%. So if you are following the strategy, this will help you to qualify the exam. Maybe you will get a 10 or 15 question higher than the other. So maintaining the pressure, maintaining the stress is also a very crucial in it. आप घर में बैठे हैं, पढ़े हैं, सोचे जा रहे हैं कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, मैंने पढ़ा है, इसको टेस्ट सीरीज में स्कोर नहीं आ रहा है, उसमें सोच के ही आप पूरा आधा दिन निकाल देते हैं. तो प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. Before starting a day, do an exercise of 20 to 25 minutes. It will give you a very like a calm mind देगा आपको. इसके साथ साथ आपको like a peaceful लगेगा when you are starting your preparation again on the day. So maintaining a good life balance with the preparation is very important because we are not doing any work for the relaxation of our mind. आज के टाइम में हमने क्या जरिया निकाला? We start using the mobile phone when we are sitting aside. तो इस केस में the mobile phone, the screen make the mind more lethargic. It's not giving the rest to the mind. So move out of your room. It may be for the walking for the 30 minutes, maybe 30 minutes gym, or maybe the yoga classes. You can do a better job because it will increase your efficiency of the reading, increase your efficiency in attempting the paper. Please try to do all these things in your preparation, and start attempting the paper as well, and start attempting the paper strategically, and develop a very good strategy before the examination, so you can get a higher chance to qualify this examination. Thank you very much.